Okay, on number 2, what do you think we should do? Anyone who can assist?
Multiplying the reciprocal or yini.
Yeah, we can multiply with the LCD, the lowest common multiple. And remember here, if there's nothing here, it means this is all over 1. If there's nothing here, it means there's all over 1. There's nothing here, it means it's all over 1. So we are going to check what is the lowest common multiple here, the lowest common denominator. The lowest common denominator is going to be x. Né? Yeah, and then we can multiply everything out by x. So I'm going to come and say, I'm going to write this first. It's x. I'm going to write that one with black. And then it's going to say multiply by this x that I'm talking about, which is the LCD. Then after that, I have minus 5. Then this minus 5, I'm going to multiply it by x. And then I have plus 2 all over x, which is this one here. You see the black one? The black one is these things. This one is this one. This one is this one. This one is this one. And then I'm going to multiply this by x. Equals to 0. 0, now we are also going to multiply 0 by x because you multiply everything. And then if you do that, x multiplied by x is going to give you what?
X squared.
You were here. X multiplied by x.
X squared. X squared.
So we expect to get x squared here. Minus 5 multiplied by x.
Minus x.
5x.
Minus 5x.
Minus 5x. Eh? And look at this one. What do you think is going to happen? The other one is on the denominator. The other one is on the numerator. So you're multiplying with the reciprocal, which is x all over 1.
Both times.
This one is going to multiply this one.
Yeah.
If you say this one multiplied by this one, I agree there's a multiplication. Other one is appearing on the denominator. The other one is appearing on the numerator. So they are going to divide each other out. So if they divide each other out, what are you going to remain with here?
2.
It's plus 2, ne?
Yes.
This is equal to 0. Is it in a standard form now?
Yes.
It is in a standard form. Okay, if it's in a standard form, what is our A? Let's highlight. We get A here. We get B
1.
here. A is
1.
Positive 1.
B?
Positive.
Negative 5x.
Negative 5. Not negative 5x, negative 5. Zinhle. C?
Positive 2.
It's 2. Okay. Let's do this then. Use our formula. Our formula says which we have x, which is going to be equal to minus b plus and a minus b squared minus 4ac
Over 2a.
all over 2a, yeah? And then we have minus, open bracket,
Negative
minus
5.
plus and a minus, minus
Bracket.
5, 1, 2, all over 2 multiplied by 1. Okay, let's take out our calculator and see what we get. You're going to type it, and I'm also going to type it this side so that we compare our answers. Fraction minus, open bracket, minus 5 plus minus 5 all squared, no? Minus 4 multiplied by 1 2 multiplied by 1. Okay, before I press, what did you get first?
5 plus 7. 5 plus root 17 all over 2.
Okay, we get 5 plus root 17. We write that one first. Ne?
Yeah.
So we're going to have 5 plus and a minus root 17 all over 2.
2.
And then we press ST. Ne? What did you get?
4,56.
X is going to be 4,56. Okay, let's try the negative then. So I've already written this because I said plus and a minus. You can write them separate if you want to. You say the positive one or the negative one, but I wrote them as plus and a minus here. The one that I want now is just the answer. X is going to be 0,44. Okay, next one is